Okay, so ladies, what you're going to do, walk with proper posture. You're going to turn gracefully. Hold on one sec. And you're going to sit with the book on your head.
Hey, no.
Okay?
That's impossible.
Don't nod. Okay? And you're walking Sabrina, posture. Don't speed. And you're walking gracefully. That is beautiful. Go back in position. Okay, see what happened is you're doing this. Okay? So I need you to just walk one foot in front of the other. When you're walking, ladies and gentlemen, we make sure that our feet are aimed in the direction in which we're walking. We do not have one to the right and one to the left. We don't walk like this. We walk like this. Straight forward. Okay? Straight forward. All right? And you walk gracefully, gingerly. Okay? Okay, ladies, you may rise and have a seat. I'm so proud of you. And you're holding on your skirts. I love it. Okay, ladies, we have a little bit more distance. Go for it.